Welcome. In today's session, we'll build a JavaScript function that removes elements from an array until a condition is satisfied. This logic is useful when cleaning up data or applying filters on the fly. We'll use a simple loop combined with array slicing to achieve this. Let's dive into the logic and implementation. We're solving a problem where we keep removing elements from the beginning of an array. As soon as the first element satisfies the test function, we stop. What's left is the clean filtered result. Let's look at the code that makes this work. This function uses a while loop to repeatedly check the first element of the array. If it fails the condition, we drop it using the slice 1. Once an element passes the condition, the loop stops and we return the remaining array. It's a clean, readable approach to conditional trimming. We start with the full array and run the test on the first item. If it fails, we drop it and repeat. This continues until the first element returns true for the given function. The rest of the array is returned unmodified from that point forward. In the first example, 1 and 2 are removed because they do not satisfy the condition. In the second, 5 and 6 are removed until 7 passes. And in the third, no element satisfies the condition. So the result is an empty array. This shows how versatile this approach is. This technique is incredibly handy in real-world projects. You might want to clean raw input data, manage streaming logs, or even in user-facing tools. By shifting focus to meaningful content, it boosts performance and user experience. Let's summarize everything we've learned. This was a simple yet powerful method for pre-processing arrays. By combining loops and slicing, we can discard unneeded data until it is relevant. Try this on your next data filter function and see the results. Thanks for watching. Happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.